it's Iris. Do you like ducks? Well, I do. That's my best duck sound. Well, if you like ducks, this book is for you. It's full of cute ducks and cuddles. Here's the book. A Cuddle for a Little Duck by Claire Freedman and Caroline Pedler. The sun is up and so am I. I've woken Mommy too. Wake up, Mommy. I just can't wait to start our day. We've lots to see and do. We waddle to the riverbank. I flop on my tummy. I'm learning now, but when I'm big, I want to swim like Mommy. I run into the meadow next to see what I can see. Oh, hello, Wizzy Dragonfly. Good morning, Buzzy Bee. Look, here's Wizzy Dragonfly and Buzzy Bee. I go down to the pond and swim and chase some butterflies when suddenly a frog jumps out and gives me a surprise. At lunchtime when the sun is hot, a shady spot's the best. My mommy tells me stories while we cuddle close and rest. Hooray! Here come my duckling friends. We love to play together. We peek-a-boo among the reeds and chased a floating feather. Oh, isn't that cute? Now watch me do this funny trick. It makes my friends all giggle. I stick my tail up in the air and do a little wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. I peep into the water's edge. Whoa, look at me! I quack. It's almost bedtime. Mommy calls. We should be heading back. I cuddle up on Mommy's back. I love you, Mom, I say. Then fall asleep to dream about another lovely day. The end. Best duck sound again. That was a fun book, huh? Okay, till next time.